Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an online store using Wix or how to create an e-commerce or dropshipping store using Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, as you can see right here, and you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. All you'll do is tap on Get Started. After you have tapped on Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can continue with your Google account or continue with Facebook, or you'll be able to enter your email address and then create a password. So I'll tap on Continue As. After tapping on Continue As, I'll tap on Confirm. And once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And this is the free website builder, right? So from here, we are going to tap on Get Started. After doing that, in the search bar, you are going to type in Online Store, or you are going to select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will see numerous options you can choose from, and this will help Wix to create a website template. So for example, if you're planning to sell clothing, you could select Online Clothing Store. If you were planning to open a bike store, you could select Bike Store. If you are planning to open a jewelry store, you could select Jewelry Store. But for this example, I'll open a general online store. So I'm just going to tap on Next. After tapping on Next, from here you are going to enter your store name. So for example, my store name will be Simple Answers. Then tap on Next. And from here, you will see online store built in. You'll also see that chat has been added. And they have also added forms, as more than likely you will like to receive payments. And you'll also have access to different customer forms. And you will also incorporate Instagram feed into our new online store. And then you can scroll down to view more, as you can see right here. And these are different apps that you can add. So for example, if you would like to open a blog, you can also do that. And you can also add booking to your new online store. You can add any one of these options by simply tapping on it. Once it is to your liking, you are going to tap on Next. Then from here, you are going to tap on Go to Dashboard. Once you have selected Go to Dashboard, there are a few things that I want you to observe. The menu option on the left-hand corner, as you can see right here. I'll be going through each one individually to give you a better example or a better idea of what each is for. So the first thing you're going to do, you'll see Add Your First Product. We're going to tap on Add Product. After you have selected Add Product, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Find Products to Sell. After tapping on Find Products to Sell, from here you're going to simply scroll down. Then you're going to tap on View More. By the way, if you are planning to add a physical or a digital product, you could do that in this section. But if you are planning to do drop shipping or an e-commerce store, you will tap on Find More, just like what I did right there. Then from here, you are going to tap in the search bar, right where you see Search Apps. And from there, you could type in drop shipping. After selecting drop shipping, you are going to see numerous drop shipping apps you can choose from. And the one that I would recommend that you try is this one right here, as you can do this for completely free. So you are going to tap on that, Dizers. After selecting Dizers, you are going to tap on Add to Site. Once you have signed in, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you are going to scroll down and you'll see Link Your Store and AliExpress. And you're going to scroll down, and from here, you're going to select Free. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on AliExpress. Then from here, you're either going to sign into AliExpress if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll tap on register and you're going to register or create a new AliExpress account. But for this example, I'll sign in. Once on this page, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to tap on Find Suppliers. After tapping on Find Suppliers, from here you can type in the keyword of what you like to sell. So for example, let's say I would like to sell a lamp. So I'll type in lamp in the search bar, then tap on enter. After you have done that, you will see numerous lamps or you'll see numerous items pop up depending on the keyword that you have typed in. And you can also select ship from, and you could select United States if you want, or if your store is located in Europe, you could select one of the European countries. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and I like this particular lamp, so I'm going to hover over it, then I'm going to tap on import. After selecting import, you're going to tap on go to import list. Once you have selected go to import list, you are going to tap on the item to tick it. Then you are going to tap on the pencil icon right where you see edit product. And it will automatically open this dashboard. And from here, you are going to edit the title. As once the title is over 80 characters, it will automatically not be pushed to your Wix website. Then you are going to tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done this, you are going to tap on X in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to ensure that it has been ticked. Then you are going to tap on Wix to push to Wix. Then you are going to tap on push to Wix. And you can see that the product is being sent. And just give it a few seconds as the product has been successfully added to my Wix website. So I could tap on check the status and you can see right there it has been added. Once you have done that, what I would like you to do next is go back into Wix. Once on Wix, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option right where you see store products and you are going to tap on products. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see right there, if I were to tap on inventory, you can see the products that I have right there. And if you want, you could remove any one of the variants. So you can see right here the portable camping lights that I had added. You can see them right there. So I could tick on it and I could update the inventory. And by tapping on the three dots, I'll be able to edit the product info. So I'll be able to edit the product page. So for example, if I would like to delete a variant, I could delete a variant from here. Here you can see all of the images and videos. I can also create a category. And if you would like to create a coupon, you could also do that. As you can see right there, this is how it will look. And as I said, you can edit the product page right there. So all you'll have to do is scroll down. And also, if you would like to change the price, you can change the price right here. So let's say I would like to change the price to $12.99. I can do that. And you can see on sale if I can see if you would like to add a discount price. So let's say you want the price of the item is $12.99 and you would like to add a discount. You can add a discount, for example, of $1. So you'll see the sale price is now $11.99. And you can also show price unit if you want. And you can scroll down and you could add a custom text field to the product page if you want also. You can also change the images. And as I said, if you would like to delete or edit any one of the variants, you can do that by tapping on edit right here. And once everything is to your liking, you'll simply scroll back up. Then you're going to tap on show in online store in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on save, and that is how you would be able to add products to your Wix website. As you can see right there, it is now being added. The next thing I would recommend you do is go back and tap on home. After you have tapped on home, the other thing that you'll need to do you're going to need to set up your payment methods. So you're going to tap on Set Up Payment Methods. After tapping on Set Up Payment Methods, from here you'll be able to add PayPal or whichever payment method you like to accept on your online store. So you could tap on Connect PayPal, or if you do not see the payment methods that you'd like to use, you could tap on See More Payment Methods, and from here you'll be able to add them. After you have done that, the other thing that I would also recommend you do is go back and you're going to tap on Home again. Here you'll be able to set up shipping and delivery by simply tapping on Set Up Shipping. Once you have tapped on Set Up Shipping, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you'll be able to add the region. So all you'll have to do is simply scroll down. So whether you'd like to ship it locally or internationally, you can do that. Or if you'd like to add a region, you can also do that. Another thing that I would also recommend that you do is tap on Settings from the bottom left hand menu option. After tapping on Settings, from here you're going to tap on Business Info. After selecting Business Info, you will be redirected to this page. And from here you'll be able to name your online store, and you'll also be able to add a logo of your store, and you can add a short description if you want, and you can also add the location of your store, as you can see right there. And once you're finished doing that, the only other thing that I would recommend you do now, you're going to go back into Home, and from here you're going to tap on Design. So you'll tap on Design Site. Once on Design Site, you'll now be able to customize how your site appears. So first, you'll see two options: let Wix create a site for you, or customize a design template. You're going to tap on Pick a Template. After tapping on Pick a Template, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. For this example, I will select this one right here, so I'll tap on Edit. Once it has loaded up, you'll be redirected to this page, and at the moment this is how your website looks, but you will be able to edit each section. So for example, you can select the header and you could tap on Quick Edit. After tapping on Quick Edit, you'll be able to change the name from the top right there where you see button. You could tap on that, and I'll change that to Simple Answers right here. Then you'll scroll down, and you can also add a link if you want. So whenever they tap on that, they'll go onto the Shop This page, or if you like it to open a new page, you can also do that. Then I'll scroll down. If you would like to change the background, you can also do that. And if you would like to add the search bar or remove the search bar, as you can see right here, you can also do that. Once you're finished editing the header, as you can see right here, here's the lamp that I had added, and you can also see some pre-loaded products. So if you would like to remove any of the products, all you have to do is tap on the product bar. Then you will see the option Manage Products. You're going to tap on that. After you have selected Manage Products, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. So I want to delete the preloaded products. So all I have to do is tap on the box beside each product that I would like to delete. So I'm going to be deleting majority of these products that came automatically selected. Each one you're going to tap on More Action. Then you're going to tap on Delete, and you'll select Delete. And after you have deleted the products, you're going to tap on the X. So now if I were to refresh the page, you will realize that there is only one product. So after refreshing the page, you can see right there that there is only one product on my store. So this is now a one product Wix online store, as you can see right here. And if you would like to add more products, you can go back into Dizer and you'll be able to add more products. Another thing that I would also recommend that you do, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and if you would like to add more elements, let's say for example you want to add a video or a button, you can do that by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then you'll be able to select button. And then if you would like to add, for example, a buy button or a PayPal button, you could do that.